I am Dr. Sathya, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry, SNS College of Technology. Today, I am going to talk about polylactide. This is one of the most important biodegradable polymer, and it's very important polymer in modern material science. So the polylactide. So this is a polylactide is commonly known as PLA. We know about the PLA. It's a biodegradable and bio-based polymer derived from renewable sources such as starch and sugarcane. So this is a starting material of the polylactide. It's produced through the polymerization from the lactic acid, which is obtained by the fermentation of the sugars. So the short form of PLA, polylactide, is gained significant attention because it's offer environmental friendly and it's alternative to conventional petroleum-based plastics. So it possesses a good mechanical strength and transparency and processability. So this is a major application of polylactide is packing materials and disposing cups and plates, agriculture films, textile fiber and biomedical devices such as drug delivery systems, tissue engineering. This is the application of polylactide. It's also used in 3D printing because it's easy to processing and low environmental effect. So synthesis method of PLA is a very simple method. It's a ring opening polymerization. It's the most common method. We know about the method of simply polymerization method, and lactic acid oligomers is heated under the vacuum and direct polycondensations. That means direct condensation of lactic acids. So this is the physical properties. It's very good tensile strength and it's very good mechanical strength and transparency. It's suitable for various applications, and also the melting point. It's also 170 to 180 and density 1.24 to 127 in this slide. And already we know discussed about the biodegradable under the industrial composting. So the PLA is a comprehensive overview. It's a synthesis, it's very simple synthesis, polycondensation. Sources is a corn, starch or sugarcane. Properties biodegradable and thermoplastics. Its application is the packing and 3D printing textile applications and advantages. So it's a very good application of PLA is the main thing, packing materials like food containers and disposable cups and plates and packing films and biodegradable plates. In mainly 3D printing, we used most widely used in filament for FTM, the 3D printers, and prototyping and educational some models. In biomedical applications, we are using in polylactide as a drug delivery systems and surgical such as and tissue engineering, hair fold and orthopedic implant we are using in medical industry. And PLA is used in very much in agriculture also, the mulch films and plant pots, controlled release fertilizers. It's very important. In textile industry, it's a fiber for clothing and non-woven fabrics, carbide materials we are using here, and it's a very good material for fiber for clothing. And consumer good, it's a disposable culture and toys and household products. And automotive industry, we are using polylactide as a interior components and bio parts. So the PLA is sustainable polymer and widely used packaging, 3D printing. It's very good biomedical devices, agriculture, textile and eco-friendly consumer products, some due to the biodegradability of the renewable again. So this is a reference and useful links for polylactide. This is the books also here, the natural materials, polylactide studies and eco materials database and poly reviews is one of the main journal for polylactide. These are the assessment questions. So polylactide is very good polymer in modern material science. It's also very useful for an industry, and also polylactide is its main significant attention because of its original environmental friendly and alternative conventional petroleum based plastics. So it's very good mechanical strength and transparency, probability. So it's very useful for biodegradability. Thank you.